My name is Bobbie Renfro. I'm a postdoctoral researcher and the executive lead of the sponge restoration program here at I.CARE. I.CARE is a coral reef restoration organization in the Florida Keys dedicated to empowering our local dive businesses as well as our recreational divers in hands-on restoration of our coral reef resources. Here in the Florida Keys, you can see that our businesses and homes are at sea level, and this makes us a vulnerable population to the effects of climate change, not only on sea level rise, but also on the effects of increasing storm frequency and severity. In order to protect these resources, we're also going to be protecting the biodiversity of the coral reef, keeping those species from joining the ever-growing list of species that are going extinct globally due to climate change. I am a peripherologist. That means that I'm a biologist that studies sponge animals. Sponge animals do so many jobs for the coral reef ecosystem. They filter the water, they help hold the reef together. I have helped I.CARE develop and design novel restoration methods specific to the coral reef sponges, and we're the first program in the world to do that at a large scale with the support of our recreational diving community. We are hoping to be a model for this type of novel restoration strategy for other communities around the world, not only to protect the animals of the coral reef globally, but protect the human populations that depend on them.